so today we're gonna unbox this triple water slide with speed ramp by Crane. So what's inside is this speed ramp, then a patch if this is for a repair patch, and then there's a stake, two stake, then a manual. So I put it here already. I get my tarp to put underneath. I put 3 tarp because it's not long enough, so I patch the tarp together to make it longer. So 1, 2, 3. So and I put it here. This is the top, and then it will slide all the way there. All right. Now we're gonna, this is for the drain, and this is for the stake here. And for the stake, right here, put the stake here. And this is for the water hose, any garden water hose. And this, there is one drainage here, so now we are good to go. So this is where you put the two stake. This is one. I already put the other one here. And with the head, this one goes here. This one stake. The other one goes here. See? This hole right here, just poke it like that. That's to the ground. This is the opening for hose in the garden hose would do. Then you fill it up with water. We bought the surfboard, surf something that you have to put an air on it. separate. It's not included in the packet. Ready? Okay, Mommy's turn.